Here we add the same information again and again and again. So there is always a risk of inconsistency if you change information somewhere and you forget to change information in another table, or even you may change this A and update this A to E, but you forget to change this one too. So there may be inconsistency in one table also. Um, this is because of bad design of the table. Now, another issue that is important in our course and our session is the attack of hackers, for example. When there is inconsistency, there might be an attack or hack or threat to these tables. It might be. So the inconsistency may be a sign of attack because the hacker may change some information. So there may be some inconsistency between the tables. We go back to this again. سلام. Well, I will go back to the uh, slides. Well, so in the DBMS, the database management system, can apply field checks, activities that test for appropriate values in a position. Check for value bounds. For example, we know that the results of your exam must be between 0 and 20. It's the value bounds. In an account, in the bank, in the account, your account balance must be always bigger than 0. It's a value check. Another one is value type, numeric, character, Boolean. For example, the name of day. We are defining a course in Mondays, for example. So, and the name of the day that the class is in that day must be between Saturday, Sunday, Monday, uh, Tuesday, Thursday. Just one of these. Or the account uh, value must be numeric, or something must be character, something must be Boolean. It's the value type. Other conditions, such as access control, means who has the authorization to update which element. Are you authorized? Can you change the elements? Can you change the result of the course, for example? Or can you change the name of a student, address of the student? What if two people apply conflicting modification? And what if modifications are applied out of sequence? How are duplicate records detected? What action is taken when duplicates are found? I will give you an example of this. So we have two issues here, the authorized people, and you know that we have concurrent databases, parallel databases. Nowadays, most of systems that we are working with, for example, online shopping, banking, this university system, all of them are parallel or concurrent. It means that two or more transactions in this transactions programs in the database system can be run together. can be run parallel or concurrent. And here, may some people, two people or more, apply conflicting modifications. What is conflicting modifications? I give you an example in the whiteboard again. Consider this. We have an bank account. In this account, for example, we have $500. And we have two transactions. 1 minute, please. We have here, for example, two transactions, two users. User 1 give transaction 1 and user 2 run transaction 2. In transaction 1, we have some instructions. For example, read A. It's just a pseudocode. That's an example. A equals A minus 300, and again write A. This is transaction 1. Here in transaction 2, and this is A. A actually is the account, for example, the name is A. In transaction 2, here is a instruction with A again. A equals A minus 400 and write A. The sequence of the instructions are like this. This is time. Yes, yes. I gave you this one. I gave you this example. Yes, the lecture is in the Darsa. You can download it. And three files in Darsa. You can check. It's session 1, session 2, and session 3. And but these examples you can have a screenshot. I can bring the whiteboard, and you can have take a screenshot to have the examples too, or just write it. This you can. This is not in the slides, so you should write it on paper or take a screenshot, take a picture. Some examples I give you in the class, they are not in the slides, so you have to be in the class and listen. It's just